Why am I feeling this way? Why did this happen to me? Why is my life so terrible? Hello, welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to give you 10 powerful psychology tricks that you can use to genuinely improve your daily life. These aren't manipulation tactics, these are psychology tricks that you can use to improve your overall mental well-being, relationships, all aspects of your daily life will improve when you use these 10 psychology tricks that I'm going to give you today. So let's get started. Let's dive in to the psychology tricks that actually work. Number 1, implement your intentions. Instead of simply setting wonky goals that you'll never stick to, saying things like, I'll exercise more, implement the intention. Say, if it's Monday, Wednesday, or Friday, I'm going to go to the gym. Research shows that this simple linguistic trick makes it 2 to 3 times more likely that you'll actually stick to your intentions. And it works because it creates a clear mental trigger. It eliminates decision fatigue and it builds automatic habits over time. Try reframing one of your goals as an if-then statement this week and see the positive effect it has. Tip number 2, the 5-minute rule for procrastination. If you're avoiding something important, commit to working on it for just 5 minutes. That's it, just 5 minutes. Say, I really don't want to do this, but I'm going to do it for just 5 minutes. This works because starting is always the hardest part. Once you get started, you'll find that things flow and it becomes a lot easier to do the thing you've been putting off. Your brain craves completion once you begin. And I've experienced this recently. I've been trying to write a book for a couple of years and wasn't really getting anywhere. And then I finally decided to begin writing the book. And once I started, I couldn't stop. I just had to complete the book. So this proves that it works. Just give it 5 minutes to start. The task rarely feels as difficult as you imagined. Most of the time, you'll find that you progress past those 5 minutes without even noticing it. But if you don't, you've at least made 5 minutes of progress instead of none. Tip number 3, strategic self-distancing. When you're upset or facing a difficult decision, talk to yourself in the third person, or imagine you're giving a friend advice about a situation. Research shows that psychological distancing like this helps you see the bigger picture, reduce emotional reactivity, access more rational thinking, and make wiser decisions. Next time you're stressed, try asking yourself, what would imaginary friend's name do? Instead of asking yourself, what should I do? Tip number 4. Have you ever noticed how unfinished tasks keep popping into your mind? That's the Zeigarnik effect. And I don't want to say that word, but that's the Zeigarnik effect. I said it twice. Your brain will naturally track incomplete tasks. You can use this to your advantage by starting projects you want to complete, breaking large tasks into smaller steps. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. Use strategic interruptions when you're learning new material. Create a brain dump list to free up mental space. This works because just like with the 5-minute rule, your brain naturally wants to finish what it starts. It craves completion. Tip number 5, we're halfway through now, and tip number 5 is habit stacking. Want to build a new habit? Attach it to something you already do consistently. So this could look like, after I brush my teeth, I will meditate for 3 minutes. After I finish work, I will go to the gym. After I finish my morning coffee, I will write down 3 priorities for the day, or I will write down 3 things I'm grateful for today. This works because you're using existing neural pathways as a foundation, and that makes it much easier to establish that new habit. Number 6, the peak end rule. We don't remember experiences in their entirety. We generally remember the peak of the experience, the most exciting or emotionally charged bit, and the ending. You can apply this by creating meaningful peaks in your experiences, ending meetings on a positive note, on a peak, ending your day on a positive note, being strategic about the final impression you leave with someone. This simple awareness can transform how you structure experiences for yourself and others. Tip number 7, active constructive responding. When someone shares good news, there are 4 ways you can respond. Number 1, active constructive, being enthusiastic and engaged, saying, "Oh wow, that's fantastic. Tell me more." Number 2, passive constructive, that's underrated support, saying, "That's nice, dear." Number 3 is active destructive, that's pointing out the negative, saying, "That sounds stressful." Number 4 is passive destructive, that's ignoring or redirecting, saying, "Anyway, guess what happened to me? That's nothing. I had this." Only active constructive responding strengthens relationships. If you want people to like you, practice active constructive responding when you talk to them. Research shows that couples who talk to each other this way have more successful relationships, longer relationships. Tip number 8 is the why-what balance for introspection. When reflecting on negative experiences, replace why questions with what questions. Too many why questions, asking yourself, why am I feeling this way? Why did this happen to me? Why is my life so terrible? It can lead to rumination. So replacing why questions with what questions, asking yourself, what am I feeling right now? What can I do about it? This is going to lead you to taking action. And this works because why activates emotional processing, whereas what engages problem-solving circuits in your brain. Tip number 9, temptation bundling. Pair something you need to do with something you want to do. For example, only listen to your favourite podcast while exercising. Only watch certain shows while ironing or folding laundry. Only get your favourite coffee when you're working on challenging or demanding projects. The immediate reward makes the necessary task more appealing, and over time you build positive associations to that stuff that you have to do. And finally, number 10, the 10-10-10 rule for decision. When you're facing a tough choice, when you're struggling to make a difficult decision, ask yourself, how will I feel about this decision in 10 minutes? How will I feel about this decision in 10 months? How will I feel about this decision in 10 years? This simple framework developed by a lady called Susie Welch helps you balance immediate emotions with long-term consequences, leading to more balanced decisions. So that's it. These evidence-based psychology tips aren't about manipulating others. They're about understanding how your mind works so you can live your best life, so you can make better decisions, overcome procrastination, and get done the things that you need to do. Using this knowledge is going to improve your life and your relationships. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, let me know what your favourite tip is.